She likes a lot.
She got it. She's on the way in the edge of the bed and she got it.
You don't change the channel. Okay, sweet. See this?
Go get it, Jenna. Go get it, honey.
It's not the remote.
She still wants it. Go get it, honey. Go get the toy.
She needs to get those legs behind her.
She's doing pretty good, actually. She's moving. Uh-oh, she sees something that she wants.
TV.
No, I think it's something you have that she wants. Hi, Jenna.
Want coffee?
Are you crawling?
Want some coffee?
Are you crawling, babe? You just crawled across the bed. Good job. Baby high five. Yay. Yay. You ready for your close-up? Come on, roll over and keep crawling. You look like a turtle right now. Oh, she likes her daddy.
O'Reilly's on Sunday morning.
Like she's just staring at you.
She's staring at the coffee.
Keep crawling, honey. Keep crawling. Get over and try it again.
Plop.
She doesn't want to roll over.
Your shoes on.
She wants her da-da-da-da-da-da.
Your shoes on.
Da-da-da-da-da. Where's the coffee cup?
Thirsty? No.